Now I'll show you how to add a product to the collection. So still on our product page, on the right hand side under collections, just click on this field and here you will be able to see all of the available collections. Simply choose which collection you want to add the product to and then click Save. Another way of doing this is going directly to All Products, and you can do it in bulk if you want to assign more than one product to a collection. So simply select the products that you want to add to the collection. Let's say I want to add these two products, and then under More Actions, select Add to Collections. And then simply select the collection you want these products in and then Save. Now remember, this is only possible because those collections have got manual settings. This is what I mentioned in the video about creating the collections. To always have the manual settings, don't put automatic settings when it comes to collections. Automatic settings means that the products will be assigned to the collection automatically based on certain criteria, for example, like based on certain tags, based on certain vendors, something like that. And setting like that will prevent you from adding products manually to the collections. So having the manual setting for the collections gives you better control and allows you further changes. So remember to have it set up from the beginning, as it will make the work much easier for you.